this is not a normal Boeing 737. This aircraft has been converted into a specialized aerial firefighting tanker known as the Boeing 737 FireLiner. Instead of passengers, the aircraft carries thousands of liters of fire retardant inside an internal tank system installed beneath the cabin floor. The red trail released behind the aircraft is not water. It's a fire retardant chemical designed to slow the spread of wildfires by coating vegetation and creating containment lines ahead of advancing flames. Unlike traditional water bombers, the 737 FireLiner is built for rapid response and long-range operations. Its jet engines allow it to travel quickly between airports and active fire zones, reducing response times during large wildfire emergencies. During a drop, pilots fly at very low altitude and high precision, often through smoke, heat turbulence, and unpredictable wind conditions. Timing is critical. Releasing the retardant too early or too late can reduce the effectiveness of the operation on the ground. Modern aerial firefighting is a combination of aviation engineering, pilot skill, and coordination with ground crews working below. This is aviation being used to protect forests, infrastructure, and human lives.